one here with the padlock at all. Oh, Onya, who my wife? What's she? Why? That's it. That's why. Macho, Master P. Chama.
Yeah.
Pacho, me yeri ya da wo da mo. Me ma won ye. Me no kwa pam.
When me kwa pam.
Na da na ma me yeli ba sha wo da mo say oto ne ma. Oh, the way you are home. So is that so? Is that so?
No, our people go finish. See, it's not what you're thinking.
Now, what do you think about what I'm thinking? What do you think I'm thinking? What do you think I'm thinking? Huh? Chairman, me don't me if you're so better. Master Mao. Me, Master Mao. So we are macho man, that's what be able to me find in San Kawa. And the media man me the back count. My yawa fi ha ma ubetu. Ewie ya obabesia edwale awie. Ojale wie ya no dinto mabo no mu na ese bibia nhye no. Naked. Ono dinto makeka akata so no di Natalia ba kwagu ne nsa ho aba se oba beto. Ana we bia ma no nti no hu se eye temptation.
Then a temptation.
The oye the abanu se enso hwe.
Se wo na obawi a me wi ye what?
Na we be ma be na betima hye no so with sadia we.
Then a tre se be ma ntumi se ne wo so.
Ah, oba adwale awie. On share no di ntuma keka bonu mu den ntuma no kwapo kra nsu asa fo ntuma ne na asa techi ni body no no de abawura wudam so oto ade obeto so nyesa ade no wosoro so nyesa ogina ha oto wakoto oba na koto ana oto ade no na wuni ni wodam no wakoto eda no so ya single room enye chem na ho na yakasa wo bedroom no no to ade no ho ni nyina single room eji no be ma ben na obetimi a kire se sa ade ewe obetimi a resist.
One share Bible mu say Joseph crapo no oba no crapo no one no.
Are you still standing there? Go no go shatale.
Let oba na obo ne sa no.
Oh yeah, I media.
Na ntiwe na o didi oba we ti no. Na bro ah. We ni bie ye kra.
You don't nya me.
Ene mre mu nso ye bo oba.
Mama ye tu.
Me.
Say that way on.
So
we tu ya 10 million e di that way busu mi kra. Me make.
Abrante fi okọ kra na we dey crapo mi ni.
Ya be hwe.
Obey they be where then.
Oh, you
what was that come and I said then?
Oh, so we be aboko. The SCC na say me no nte ma me be tam TV ne bibia me ntimi matina wa adwum say manye ne ye ntimi be pa ocho. Say the SCC for me boni chemi.
Anyway, we.
Oh, me pa ocho.
Very TV me di ka ma wote asese. Di TV ne di fear. Me no ntimi ntina bi. Ana waje atu. Me no ntimi ntina.
My oh say jealous na me sa me be two one no. Say na like me si be hu no like na me ni anjo. Say na me say frefro na won peke me konso no so. Na e ha me. Nti ana me yesa no. Nti me sire of me won chemi why.
Me pesa me no bet na you.
Because I say na kasa pese like on to free say makoji timba obi. Oh, that's so my estate anymore. It's a campus me from Kotina.
Menko.
Oh, me pa chwa there. Because na me no ba beji da no kra wo say ase umpe. I say so akoye say single room. It's me koje chimba en ho mo.
Me say menko.
Oh, ade.
Anyway we menko.
Ade. Just fear say akawe no. Just be boy nti oni no wo bibia nti na wo yesa no. Okay, sisi ade wa mama ti ase. Si me da ase.
Me da ase.
Me sira kwan.
The kwan da we.
I don't know sir. By now my back pan on so on. So sugar bread no. Sugar bread 5 cedis. sugar breast. That is why. Bema. Na ada den na koso. Ana asa wa yeba so ase.
Me mo mba yan kwasiafo.
Mba bi. Kase ma bi aha, awu kase ma yan kwasiafo a.
Mba bi wo kwasiafo.
Oh.
Brother.
What ya chira won? So wa no na me nto ase. Because oba na awudi na chi no. Na be ma wo nsuro. Oba tuntum kwa na de asai. Ghana ma tuntum kwa na de asai. Na kokko. Oh. Hey, what me hwe ka wo bo wo ge hu go fi ha pa na. Me pesa maka wo se wa chi John. So I say me pesa maka wo se wo ye John because me kwa ka na say bia me interfere obi problem. Ghana won pe wo. Nyame anim no kuro ni bia be ma. Me hwe se ne ye asa wo ba wo ye ho mobo ma Ghana fa so low. Se si ana kosi sen.
Oh. Brother, me see me hide down no. Me betu na ifra said na kotena dan Soma Estates. Timber and hall because I say cry single room.
Yeah, I have a single room.
No toilet. I see uncle.
Opa here.
I see up here say because of bare meninti. Macho man lazy boy no. Akwaduro ni no.
Ono ane ye nyina ye problem wo fia. Ono ane ye nyina ye problem wo fia. Oh, wan ka sabata asase.
Minto asase.
Unsi dunya single room bia nsi ba bia.
Nye hwe.
Uni car so.
Me ne hwe.
Uni moto bia so bia ho kirewa.
Dabi. Ena me boka wo girl we hu.
Iti wo busua.
Yo busua pa.
Ade wo busua no. Nyansa ni bia ni mu ana.
Oh, oni ma de hye me kra. Me ma me friend me kra me peki ne ko.
Odo chi wasa o abi de wo ma me kra wo hwe o ma me bio. Unya sika o ba sa. Ye say oso mo jai, oni wa jai.
Oso no me jai.
Masa e ka me nko forget no. Forget no.
Makuma so akodi wo.
Debi forget no. Wo akuma no no nko on fa akuma wo na wadwen o se wo akuma kodi no ho. Ono nko akuma no on fa yo. So what to the any edabontin kono ko fa wade fa kono mpel. Na tunu. Se da no na han ma no. Aka nitama so anana nyanso.
Dabi nyanso e. Aka no 1 year 8 months.
1 year 8 months. Tunu. Me no wa tunu. So ata se ko pepper lock bi na fa ba tu dan no. Ha, wo beti tena no wo de atu dan no wa pam na si abontin. Na wo de ama han, wo de aka kire fi wo na wo de ama han na wa ju sika. Use your brain. This is Ghana. 2021. Use your brain. But it's a press cake, you know. Wow, she's a nice guy. On a more so when so when you papa, quarter prosper when you be or back up on tea. But I thought you would do the washing on Saturday or.
I'm less busy. I decided to just wash this afternoon.
So should I help?
No, I'm okay.
No, you let me help you.
Oh no, baby, no, don't worry, I'm okay.
Okay, I used to help you, so let me help. Today my love come. I just see this guy. You see the guy, that guy who rented this room for that lady. What's the name?
Vida.
Yeah, the fair girl, Vida. The girl break the guy out too.
Hey, what happened?
I was coming inside and I saw the guy standing there. Her face and then his mood is like somebody who got funeral. And I asked him, he said the girl say it's over. The Vida girl, the fair girl. He said it's over.
Yeah, just like that.
Just like that, oh. This guy rent room for you, buy you TV, buy you fridge, and mattress. You know, and do you know that it's all because of this Darlington or so that macho man?
Hey.
Yes.
How do you know?
No, the guy confessed to me. Because look at, imagine somebody that he has buy you TV, and then you come out from your room to go to another man's room to watch TV. Could you believe that? Oh no, this girl, she never tried. So me, I advise the guy that he should come throw her out from the room. Oh,
See, you can't listen to the guy's side and leave the lady. You have to listen to the lady's side too before
no,
you can
there's
conclude.
no lady's side. There is no other side. We all day in this house inside, and I know everything that is going on. That's what he's trying to bring on YouTube. I just thank God that you have escaped. But this guy, he has to come out from this house. He has to come out. Seriously. I just thank God. After you listen to my advice, you will now pass away from him. Yes, because if not, like, I don't know what will have happened between me and you two.
No.
Yeah, that guy, he's a homebreaker.
Hey.
Yes, he's a homebreaker. He has to leave. I don't care if he heard me. You have to leave. Let me insult him small. I hate that guy. I hate you. In fact, I hate every macho man. It seems like, but this one is for who? This thing are not mine.
It's...
Wait. I remember this jersey somewhere. Baby, these are for who? Say the truth.
Wait. See, you know the guy is always alone. There's no lady with him.
If the guy is always alone and there is no lady with him, are you his mother, or are you his father, or are you his pastor to decide for him, or are you his wife?
What's wrong with me washing?
Oh, so you are not washing for me. You are washing for him rather, and then I have been so stupid to wash his shirt. So I'm stupid, eh?
No, see, I'm not saying that now. What are you doing? Ouch.